Okay, so now we will solve the next lead code problem. Question number 3465. Find products with valid serial numbers. So this is an easy category problem, but it is easy if we knew some function. But let's read the question. You have one product table where you have three columns: product ID, product name, description. You need to write a solution to find all the products whose description contain a valid serial number, and they have mentioned okay how the valid serial number look like. So you have three column: product ID, product name, and description. And they have mentioned we need to write a solution to find all products where the description contains a valid serial number, and serial number should start with the letter SN. So like this, they are starting with SN, 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 and this um, product number doesn't have the serial number. So eventually this will not be the answer, but all the remaining contain SN. And then after SN, it should be 4 digit. Okay, after SN, there are 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. And then there is a hyphen. Then there is a hyphen in all the four. And after hyphen, there should be exactly 4 digit. So we have 4 digits. We have 4 digit. Here we have 5 digits. So this will also not come. And we have 4 digit. And a serial number must be within the description. It may not necessarily at the start or at that no that. So basically, serial number can be at any place. It could be at starting, it could be at between, it could be at end, it could be anywhere. And eventually, we need to return the product ID. Basically, we would return by putting some order by clause. Okay. So by looking at the question, okay, if you want to give a try, click on the SQL schema, just copy paste that. And I also did the same. I inserted some sample data. All right. So let's see the output. What we need. We need product ID, we need product name, we need description. So anyhow, we need all the three fields. All right. So uh, we need all the fields from products table. All right. Okay. And we need to do order by product ID. Order by product ID. And by default it's ascending, right? So if I run this, it will return me everything, right? But because we have not put the where currently close, because they have mentioned you need to write a solution to find only those products whose description contains. All right, so basically we need to put some where clause. Where, okay. So by looking at the question, doesn't know like it doesn't matter whether you know anything or not, but definitely it automatically come into your mind. Okay, some kind of regular expression function or syntax we require, right? Because here they have mentioned the description contains, because if they mention we have only in the description field we have only serial number, then maybe you can use like operator, because like is also used to match the particular string, right? But here they have mentioned this serial number, the description is basically the whole long string, and serial number can be any of the world. So which means we need to use a regular expression. Okay, for a normal string, we use like. So if we have to use a regular expression, so we have another function, a regular expression like. So you like is normal, like where a description like we normally like use in day-to-day life. But we have another function register expression like. So here you could see we have the another function register expression like, and it falls under the same category of pattern matching. Like for the pattern matching we have the like, right? Similarly for the regular expression pattern matching we have the register expression like, and it return true or false, and it will take the whole world, and then we can give the regular expression. So which means we can't use the like keyword, we can use the regular expression like, right? So let me So where a regular expression like, and a regular expression needs the whole keyword. Whole keyword means it needs description. Basically this tilde. Okay, then we need to give the regular expression, right? uh, Anything. Okay, how the regular expression should look like. A regular expression should start with sn. Okay, it should start with sn. Fine. And regular expression should be in the quotes. So first put the quotes. it should it should start with the letter sn. It should start with the letter sn followed by four digits. And when we say digits, it could be 0 to 9. So 0 to 9. And because when we give in this angle bracket or square bracket 0 to 9, if it means any digit between 0 to 9, but they have mentioned 4, which means it will come 4 times. Okay, then there should be hyphen. Okay, hyphen. Then after hyphen, again 4 digits. Okay, let's try that. Again 4 digits, so it could be 0 to 9 and 4 digit. All right, so where regular expression like this, will it going to work? Let's try that. So let's run that. So you could see uh, it filter this one, which is perfectly fine. So at least for one row it is working. uh, but you could see it found this record as well, SN 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The reason is we mentioned, okay, it should be SN. We mentioned 0 to 9, 0 to 9. We mentioned there should be four digit. We said hyphen hyphen. We said 0 to 9, 0 to 9. We said 4 digit. So till this point, till 8, it match. We did not mention anything. There should be no digit, or there should be nothing like that we have mentioned. All right. So basically we don't want any digit after that, because they have clearly mentioned it should be exactly 4 digits, but they have not mentioned can it contain like, okay, let me show you. They have mentioned it should be like 1 2 3 4, 1 1 2 1 3, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. They have mentioned it should be like this, 1 2 3 4 5 4. They have mentioned it there should not be any digit, but they did not mention whether can it contain character or not. Right, so it can contain character hopefully, because they have not mentioned anything like that. So but they mention it should not contain any digit, because they have mentioned exactly 4 digit. Exactly 4 digit means after that there should not be any digit. So for the digit, what we did, we mentioned 0 to 9. Right, we mentioned 0 to 9, but they have mentioned it should not contain. So for the note, we will give this one 0 to 9. Let's try that. And okay, I need to remove this. Okay, now it give me two output. Right, so basically it give me this one, which is fine. It give me last one. It filter this one, which is correct. It filter this one, which is also correct. But why it filter this one? Why it filter? The reason is because we have mentioned, like as I told you, when we give angle bracket, so angle bracket means there should be at least one character. There should be at least one character. But after 5 6 7 8, is there any character? So the answer is no. Then how can we fix this? So basically it could be any character. Like here we have any character means we have the space here, that's why it's matching. Here we have the space, it could be any character, we have space. But here we don't have any space, basically it's end of the string. So basically we need to give or condition, or it could be end. And we know how to, like, for the start of the string we use cap, for the end of the string we do dollar. Right, and we need to group this, because if we not group this, then it will treat this as a one uh, regex, and then or then another regex. But the or should be with this bracket. Let's try that. So now we get all the three output which is required. But will this work? So answer is no. I will tell you why this will not work. This is working here, but here here it is mentioned it should start with letter SN. But what will happen if I give BSN 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8? Right. So this expression, okay, it will come here SN 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is matching, but this should not be the answer because it is starting with B. It should not start with like uh, SN. But they have mentioned it start with the letter SN. But first, let's try this one first. Let's try this one. So sample case working, we already tested here, but let's see whether all the tests will work or not. So, but it will not work. So you could see out of like 17, 15 test pass, 16 test fail. So why? Like as I told you, if it is starting with some letter A, B, then it is matching, but it should not match. So basically what we need either a space in front, right? Uh, so basically what we can say, we need some space, and for the space we give S. Like, will it going to work? Let's see. So here it is not working because now 16th test case is not working. 16 pass, only one is not working. Why? Like in this case we are saying 0 to 9 should not be there. Here we are saying okay, space, there should be a space, but in this example do we have any space in front? No. So which means either, because SN 1 2 3 4, it could be in between as well, right? So in front there could be a space, and this can be the starting as well. So there should not be a space. So which means, or or it can be the start, and we can group this. Now let's try that. So you could see our now all the test cases has been passed, even though it is mentioned the easy category problem. But I think it's a very good problem to learn this function, regular expression, because that function can be used at multiple places. Along with that, we have learned the regular expression syntax, which can be used in any of the coding language as well. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and thank you.